Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the TCA cycle but in a very lucid way. So first of all we have to understand what is TCA cycle. The full form of TCA is tricarboxylic acid. So TCA cycle means tricarboxylic acid cycle. It's also known as Krebs cycle or Krebs citric acid cycle, and it is considered as the final common pathway for the aerobic oxidation of the end product of glycolysis, beta oxidation and catabolism of many amino acids. Now, what is the location of TCA cycle? Where actually it occurs? It operates or it occurs in the mitochondrial matrix and it is inoperative in the RBC. So, the main location of the TCA cycle is in the mitochondrial matrix, and it is not operative in the RBC because RBC does not contain the mitochondria. So, those parts of our body which does not contain mitochondria will fail to operate the TCA cycle. It is highly operative in cardiac muscle, liver and red striated muscle fibers. TCA cycle operates in the brain also. So, apart from RBC, almost in most the important organs like cardiac muscle, liver, red striated muscle fibers, brain, TCA cycle is operative in nature. Now we will understand the TCA cycle steps in a very easy way. So it starts with pyruvate. This pyruvate, with the help of pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme, it is converted into acetyl-CoA. Now in this reaction or in this step, TPP is present, carbon dioxide is released, as you can see. CoA is inserted, NAD is inserted, and NADH and hydrogen ion is released. Now this acetyl-CoA actually enters into the TCA cycle. It converts the oxaloacetate into citrate with the help of the citrate synthase, and here the water enters into the cycle. Now the citrate is again converted into cis aconitate with the help of aconitase enzyme, you can see. Iron helps here, and water that is entered in the previous step released in this step. This cis aconitate with the help of again the same enzyme aconitase converts into isocitrate. Again the water is released and iron is helping. Now this isocitrate with the help of isocitrate dehydrogenase converted into oxalosuccinate. This oxalosuccinate again with the same enzyme, that is isocitrate dehydrogenase, converts itself into alpha ketoglutarate. Carbon dioxide is released. This helps in the presence of manganese, magnesium, either or both. Now this alpha ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl CoA with the help of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme. Now here TPP is present, carbon dioxide released, NAD plus enters and releases as NADH plus H plus, and CoA SH is inserted. It converts it into succinyl CoA. This CoA comes from this CoA SH. This succinyl CoA then converts into succinate with the help of succinate thiokinase. Here magnesium helps. The succinate converts into fumarate with the help of the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, FAD released, FADH2 released. Fumarate converts itself into malate with the help of the enzyme fumarase, which at this reaction, this step releases the water. Now this malate converts into oxaloacetate again with the help of malate dehydrogenase and with the release of NAD plus and NADH plus H plus. So this is the total consequences of the TCA cycle. Now we have to understand about the energetics, that is how the energy is released by this cycle. Now this aerobic metabolism of a pyruvate molecule, it yields 15 high energy phosphate bonds. 3 from the oxidative decarboxylation of the pyruvate by pyruvate dehydrogenase, means this step where pyruvate helps with the help of the pyruvate dehydrogenase is converted into acetyl-CoA. Here 3 bonds are released and the other 12 bonds are from the TCA cycle steps, means these whole steps. So 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. So this is the whole story of TCA cycle. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Hope you liked this video and understood well. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because daily a new educational video or more than one educational video is uploaded in this channel. Don't forget to like and share. So long. Bye bye.